So today we're looking at how you can edit a pattern in the pattern fill feature on Cricut Design Space. If you haven't yet discovered this feature, you can watch my part 1 video of this series, which will tell you all about it. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you know when my latest videos are out. So today we're going to select an image from the image library, and there's absolutely thousands and thousands of designs in there. I popped trick or treat into the search box and it's brought me up loads of designs. I've chosen one that I've liked and I've entered it into my canvas. First, I've highlighted the whole design as it's made up of 2 layers, and I'm going to ungroup them. I want to use 2 different patterns for this design, so I don't actually need the word treat twice. So I've highlighted the black area and I'm going to use the contour tool to take that word out of that layer. On the right hand bar I can click on the word treat and that will remove it, and then I can just go in and click on the middles of those letters and delete them as well. And you'll see when we return to the canvas that's now taken the word treat out of the black layer. And now with the orange layer selected, I can go up to the operations drop down box and select print then cut, and then go on to select the pattern fill option. You can then scroll through over 1,000 patterns and choose one that suits your project. In this case, I'm looking at Halloween designs. Once you've chosen your design, the Edit Pattern option becomes highlighted at the bottom of the box there. You can click on that and then click on the toggle bar, and you can slide that up and down to change the size of the pattern within your design. You can see in the scale box that as I move it, the scale goes up and down accordingly. You've also got boxes where you can flip your design horizontally or vertically, or even rotate it. And to give my design some definition, I'm going to use the offset tool to go in and actually apply an offset to that shape. I'm going to use the toggle bar again just to drag it up and down to sort of see what really suits my design, and then when I'm happy with that I can hit apply, and as a default it appears black, and in this case that's what I want. I'm then going to highlight the other part of my design and repeat the process to add a pattern of my choice to the design. I'm going to add another offset to this part of my design, and as we've just used the offset tool, you'll find that it automatically comes up with the same width of contour as we've just used, which is handy because I want some sort of uniformity in this. But I'm also going to change the default colour from black to orange. I'm going to highlight the whole design, and I'm just going to jump up to the align feature, and I'm going to get that centred horizontally. I think I'm sort of happy with that. I'm just going to nudge that up a little bit, and then I'm going to highlight the whole design again, group it and attach it, ready for sending to print. The black box you can actually see on the screen now around our design is actually a reference mark that your printer will print so that your Cricut machine knows where to cut. I'm selecting Add Bleed to minimise any chance of white lines appearing around my design, and also System Dialog so I can customise my printer's print instructions. Once printed, you can then place your material onto the mat, and once you've selected the material you're using and press go, you'll notice that the head of the Cricut machine has got a little light underneath it. This allows the Cricut to scan over each of those 4 lines so that it has a reference point and knows where to cut the design. I've actually used printable vinyl because I want to create a sticker with my design today. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get notifications of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Elska Crafts.